Now I'm teaching you how to set the Wi-Fi network with this Wi-Fi and GSM alarm system. Before you link the Wi-Fi for this alarm system, first you should download and install the TUYA Smart or Smart Life app. First, we can set the menu like this. Choose the Wi-Fi. Okay. Now we open TUYA Smart app, add device. It's okay. We are waiting for the alarm system auto link with the Wi-Fi network. Okay, this alarm system already linked with Wi-Fi network. Oh, it's okay. It's working now. Now set the menu back. Now we can try.
System armed. System disarmed.
It's okay. Now we finished the Wi-Fi network connect with this alarm system. We already add the Wi-Fi wireless sensors to work with this alarm. So you just link the Wi-Fi network with this alarm system, and you install your alarm system, and it's okay. Now you can set the alarm in the app to add remote control, door sensors, or set. You can see set alarm system, alarm SM, phone call and SM. So you can set it everything at this app. Okay, it's okay.